Yeah, hi. Good evening, everyone. So please let me know in the chat quickly. Am I audible clearly and I am visible so that we will start our today's session on very important topic how to prepare for off-campus drives for the 2025 batch students. And I am coming up with a complete preparation strategy for you guys. So before going to start the lecture, I would like to ask this question. Am I clearly audible and the screen is visible? Yes, I am looking to the chart. So Ramakrishna is saying I am audible and visible as well. Yes. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone. Okay. So today our main motto is to completely, I am saying this is a complete strategy for your off-campus drive. So how to prepare for your campus placements or off-campus placements, both we can manage here. And also, especially, I have designed this program for 2025 batch students. So, I would like to ask you one question in the beginning of the lecture itself. Can I say this or not? First, 50% of the concept in the off campus is nothing but to get the updates. Am I right or not? To get the genuine and important updates of the off campus. Am I right or not? Even from the last 2 to 3 years, I got a lot of queries from the students saying that we don't know this off campus is hiring. So because they have lack of information about the off campuses. Am I right or not? How many of you know a lot of companies are hiring? For example, 2025. Are you missing some updates or not? Right. So first we will talk about how to get the updates first, and remaining next 50% is your preparation, guys. Why? Because without getting any update, you can't even apply for any job, then your preparation become zero. So that's why I am focusing on how to get the updates very quickly and fast. Okay. So for that, I suggest the social media handle. The social media become very powerful nowadays, and you are getting hiring updates very quickly. And for example, in our Instagram, I will show you how our Instagram will work for you guys to get the immediate hiring updates. For example, I would like to show, see, for example, we are 2025 passed out students, for example. So there are already 30,000, 31,000 people are following our page, and we are regularly post the hirings. For example, see, recently, 1 day ago, we posted about MasterCard hiring. How many of you really know about MasterCard is hiring? And how many of you really applied? Tell me in the chat. Yeah, Venkat Sai, we will update the WhatsApp group of 2025. So you can join after the session. Okay. So tell me how many of you know about MasterCard is hiring 2025 students for the summer internship? Whoever in the live, you can answer. See, I got around in the poll 90% students don't know about MasterCard hiring. So guys, again and again, I'm telling you one thing. Please follow appropriate Instagram pages, or for example, you can say online platforms like eLitmus or CoCubes, or for example, AMCAT. These type of pages also you need to follow to get the immediate updates. Even our Prepinsta have a dedicated pages for each and every year. For example, see, in the 1 day ago only, we created the MasterCard hiring update for the 2025 students, which is a data scientist internship. So it's which is a BE BTech eligibility and a proficiency in several categories. And see, if you don't know this opportunity, what is the use of preparation, right? So all the links, see, already a lot of people ahead of you, and even we show around 129 people commented, and even directly they will go to the link in bio, and you can see directly the MasterCard hiring link here. So all these things you need to understand. So first thing is find the job updates. So we are making very easy for you guys. You don't have to worry about all the hiring updates. If you are a 2025 batch, Road batch, just follow our Prepinstar 2025 page, and directly we are pasting a lot of preparation as well as hiring post. For example, data structures. If you want to prepare data structures, we are creating data structures question and answers, which is important for interviews. For example, recently, around 1 week back, Propel is hiring for the 2025 batch students for the role of software developers. How many of you applied? No one, as per my knowledge. Why? Because MasterCard, you guys didn't apply, means obviously Propel also you didn't apply. So don't miss the hiring updates. For example, even we posted about Microsoft account, right? So all these things you need to know. So immediately follow our page and start following it and try to grab these opportunities, guys. Okay. And also, for example, along with this 2025 page, I will suggest you guys to follow off-campus page also. Why? Because in off-campus, we will post not only dedicated to 2025, we will post 2024, 2023, 2025, 2026, generalized off-campus. So here in the 2025, we will post only 2025 specific page, sorry, year. But in the off-campus, we directly post all over every year. So every off-campus drive will come here. So I suggest you guys, for example, see, Qualcomm is hiring for the year of 2024 password batch. So irrespective of your year, you can follow off-campus page also, which is we have around 175K followers already. So my recommendation for the students who are 2025 students, password batch, I suggest Prepinstar 2025 and Prepinstar off-campus you guys need to follow. Even last year, we served a lot of people for the 2024 batch, around 60K followers we have, and see, we are published or we have given all the hiring updates in an immediate basis. For example, see, 1 week ago, FedEx is hiring, or Across Global is hiring, Cognizant is hiring. So immediately, whatever the hiring happened for the particular year, we will post. So the placement season is about to start for the 2025 batch students. I recommend you guys immediately, you can able to get all the updates immediately so that you can easily apply for every job opportunity, right? So even if you want to contact us or if you want to reach us and to ask your doubts, we have a WhatsApp group dedicated to 2025 batch. In the WhatsApp group also, we will post all the hiring updates. Some, for example, some people may not use Instagram. So that's why we will always post each and every post in all the different handles also. So follow 2025 WhatsApp group, which is the link in the description of this video. And if you have any doubts and want to talk to our mentors directly, you can come to our Discord or Telegram channels and you can directly contact us and take the guidance from us. Okay. So this is the first thing is all about, which is nothing but what is hiring or which company is hiring. I can say simply which company is hiring. So the first 50% is your task is to follow our social media handles and get the updates and applying. Again and again, I'm telling you one thing. Never stop applying for companies until you get placed. Don't hesitate to apply. Okay. Apply for n number of companies. No need to worry about it. Even if daily a lot of freshers and experienced candidates will apply for average of 5 to 10 jobs. So all you need to need is get the information. That's it. Okay. So I hope I am clear about the updates, right? Please let me know in the chat. Is it important or not to get the updates? Yeah, a lot of people are saying, even I don't know about the hiring. Yes, I know about it. Yeah, cool. So 50% of our task is done for the life. The remaining 50% is nothing but what is the process of off-campus hiring? Guys, according to my knowledge, I will divide this into two categories. Remember this. If the off-campus hiring is a good number, then the process is different. And if the off-campus hiring is very less number, then the hiring process will be different. So for the both the cases, you need to get ready. Okay. So immediately I will tell you the overview of it. So for example, if the company want to hire a good number, for example, off campus will happen and they want to hire 4-digit to 5-digit people, 4-digit to 5-digit number of people across India, for example. Then what is the rounds they will conduct is nothing but first they will conduct online assessment, which is nothing but online written test, then followed by interview. I am talking in a very simple words, guys. I am not talking about any in-depth knowledge. For example, for Capgemini, the process will be different, but online assessment is same and interview is same. Some companies will have, under the interviews, they will have TR round, HR round, and MR round. I am not talking about the internal sections. I am talking about generalized ones. Okay. And the next, some companies will have only coding round. Some companies will have only aptitude round. So I am not talking about that individual or internal depth concept. In general view, I am talking about. So in general, if they are going for very good number of hiring, first they will conduct the online assessment and then they will go with the interviews. If a company is trying to hire very less number, like 2-digit number or 3-digit number, 2-digit number to 3-digit number, then what they will do is the first process will be resume filtering. Okay, so they won't conduct online assessment for the people. First, they will filter the resumes. So by AI, they will filter the resumes, and for the selected resumes only, they will conduct the online assessment, and next they will go with the interviews. Is it correct or not? Tell me in the chat. Is this two process you have gone through so far? Am I right or not? Yeah, I'm looking into the chart as well. So Sanjana is saying, sir, when will Prabinster refer for Prabinster Prime students? Yes, Sanjana, once you completed the required criteria. For example, if you complete a course, we have some criteria like 80% you need to complete and everything. If you complete those, definitely you will be added to our reference list and we will start referring you. Prevenstra is an amazing platform to learn and track on or off campus placements. Thank you, Ravindra, for giving me the valuable feedback for us. Guys, tell me, is it correct or not? Have you seen this two process or not? So far in the off campus. Yeah, on my end, chart is loading. Yes. Tejesh and Venkat all are saying yes. So guys, again I'm telling you, whatever the off-campus it might be, either less number or more number, I'll always say guys, these three are very important, which is nothing but to clear the online assessment and to clear the interview and to easily get impress the interviewer or to get your resume get selected. So the major things you need to take care in the off-campus process hiring is nothing but online assessment. Online assessment is different categories. I will talk about it. So online assessment will consisting of aptitude and coding. Okay. Again, aptitude is divided into three categories, which is nothing but quant, logical, and verbal. And coding is divided into MCQ based or Sudoku based. And next one is problem based. Okay. So these are the things you need to focus and practice more. So there is a two wings in the written test. Aptitude, which consisting of quant, logical, verbal. Even I will show you in depth about it. So how our prime is designed for you. So just give me a second. I am showing you guys. See how we designed our Prepinsta prime is also. Just look at here. First, you have to prepare aptitude, for example. Under the aptitude, you have to prepare quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning and verbal ability and data interpretation and next visual reasoning, cryptarithmetic and essay writing. So game-based aptitude. Game-based aptitude is a part of Capgemini and psychometric test. Okay. So why we are saying all these categories under the aptitude is nothing but, for example, openly I will say. For example, if you take the TCS as a consideration, TCS will ask quantitative aptitude, logical and verbal, and data interpretation. That's it. For example, if you take Accenture in off-campus, they won't ask quantitative aptitude. You need to prepare logical only. So there is a different categories for the different companies. Each company will follow particular pattern. So what we will suggest to the students is nothing but, in general, always prepare for normal category, which is nothing but prepare quant, logical, verbal, data interpretation, visual reasoning, and cryptarithmetic and everything, game-based aptitude and everything. So once you prepare in a generalized way, for example, you prepared for the 1 month or 2 months, and next after 2 months, your first company is, for example, Accenture. If you are preparing for Accenture after your 2 months preparation, you don't have to prepare entire aptitude category. Just you have to navigate to Accenture syllabus. For example, here, Accenture. And what are the categories you need to prepare under the Accenture? We will create it in detailed manner. All you need to do is just go to Accenture tab and start your preparation. Why? Because in Accenture, quantitative aptitude is a not part. So directly you can start with logical reasoning or critical reasoning. All this comes under logical and visual reasoning, guys. So for each and every company, you need to prepare. But before coming to the company specific preparation, you need to complete general preparation. These are the two things you need to know before going to the off campuses. If off campus is going to happen in 1 month or 2 months, prepare in general, then prepare for company specific. Then you have a high chances to get selected. Am I right or not? Tell me in the chat. Yeah, Endless Evergreen, as of now, as per my knowledge, Accenture is hiring for the 2025 batch students, and we did a lot of lives in the YouTube channel also. Whenever the 2025 hiring is happening for the 2025 passed out batches, we are coming to the YouTube live. So subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will definitely get immediate updates. Am I right or not? Tell me, guys. General preparation followed by company specific preparation will leads to high chances to get selected into the off campus. Am I right or not? Yes, Harsha is saying. Yeah, Harsha Tiwari, definitely. We know TCS CodeVita is already started registrations and the exam is going to happen in the November or December. So we'll definitely come to the live and we will guide you. Don't worry. Okay, so that's it. This is about aptitude. And the next category I would like to talk about is coding round. So after the aptitude, this is all about your IQ skills. When coming to test your coding skills, they are conducting two different rounds. Again, I'm telling you, these two are common, but company to company, it will vary. For example, some companies will have MCQ based questions, some companies will have pseudocode based questions, or some companies will have output based questions. And now, recent days, a lot of companies are adapted to problem based. For example, they will give you two problem statements and they will give you 60 minutes, or three problems, 90 minutes, or four problems, 120 minutes. Like this, they are giving you random number of questions and giving you the proper time to solve all these questions. So, in order to solve this all the questions, you need to be master in at least one or two programming languages, guys. So, how to start? How to clear the coding round? So, I will guide you on this, which is nothing but, for example, first I will suggest the students you have to go with either any one of the programming language. In my point of view, the preference or order of the programming languages are Java first, next Python, next C++, last preference is C. For example, if you don't know anything about the coding, then start with C. But if you are a graduate, either BE, BTech or ME, MTech, you already will have a ample amount of knowledge in C programming language. In every first year of your graduation or any degree, definitely in the classes, everyone will teach the C programming language. But C programming language is not good for company specific online assessments. So some companies maybe go beyond object oriented concepts. So whenever they're asking about object oriented concepts in C, you can't do that, right? So class and everything won't be existed here. And due to some advanced concepts also, we need to adapt to object oriented programming languages like C++, Java or Python. According to me, if I need to suggest, I will go with the order Java, next Python, next C++. Okay. So, sir, with this, am I clear any off campus? No. With one programming language, you can only clear 50% of the coding round. The remaining 50% coding round will be depending on data structures. And I can say it is like basic coding, intermediate coding, competitive coding, along with DSA in the corresponding programming languages. Data structures. Data structures, why it is become so important in the recent days is nothing but I will tell you guys. Programming language is a just first step. The second step is always data structures to reach your goal. Why? Because out of two programs or three programs or four programs, you can able to solve 50% of the problems with general basic knowledge of programming language. But remaining 50%, you need to have time complexity concepts and space complexity concepts so that you need to adapt to data structures. For example, in the online compilers or online examinations also in the companies, they won't check for code. They also check for time complexity. That's why a lot of people will fail in second or third problem due to they won't clear time complexity. They'll check for this program need to execute within the 1 second. But you will write in a regular method, so it will take 2 seconds. So the code cannot be accepted, or you might fail 2 or 3 test cases. Out of 8 test cases, 6 are passed, 2 got failed. You don't know why it is 2 got failed, because they are testing space complexity, time complexity. So all these things you need to know them. Okay. Yeah, I got some questions from your side. I'm clearing it along with that. Getting extension through off campus is easy or not? Believer, if you prepare really well in the 2 months, definitely you can easily get clear extension. And yeah, guys, so many people are asking what is the coupon code to get the Prepinsta Prime. Again, I'm telling you guys, the prices are very less. All these courses you can get under a single subscription of our Prepinsta Prime. And all the prices I will show you in a few minutes. And you can have a coupon code YouTube to get the additional discount. So just look at here, remaining. When will be the Accenture, Capgemini, other service-based companies are exams approximate months? I can say approximately in November, December, they are going to happen. Sanjana, yes, I am saying this. The core language is C, but C is a just starting step. For example, C is like a learning alphabets. So you need to go to the words also. So only words will make you communicate easily, right? Similarly, C, C++, Java will make code very fast. Okay, that's why I'm suggesting these languages. If you are very basic or you are not very good at coding, then I will say go with C also fine. Okay, but in the real time, recent time competition, C won't make you survive. At least you need to know about Java or Python, any one programming language is must. Okay, so all these things we know, right? So, for example, if you want to prepare for additional things like, for example, how to prepare for output based examinations or automata fix or pseudocode based exams. So here we have given additional tabs also like coding brush up, which is nothing but pseudocode, and automata fix you have to go. So we are running out of time. I can't explain a lot of things. So I think you guys are clear, right? What is written test will consisting of? Am I clear or not? Let me know in the chat. Yeah, guys, still if you have any doubts, you can always reach to us and we will always clear your doubts. Yes, some people are asking for the prices, so that's why I would like to tell you this. So prepinstaprime.com/purchase and the prices are you can see in the screen. 3 months it is 499, 6 months it is 5499, and 12 months it is 6499. So I will always suggest 12 months for your preparation if you are a 2025 batch students, and 24 months it is 7499, 36 months 7999, and 48 months it is 8499. If you use coupon code YouTube, and you will get additional discount also. For example, I am going with 12 months. For example, I have used YouTube coupon code. Okay, so I entered. See, I got additional 650 rupees discount. So for 1 year, I can easily get it for 5849 rupees, which is nothing but 5850 rupees approximately. So for the 1 year, if I am investing 5,850 rupees for this all the courses, is it wise decision or not? If you want to purchase individually about all these courses, you will never get in the online for this price range. So we have made these courses like that. Even the people who can't financially afford all the courses, they can easily learn from our Prepinsta Prime website. For example, C. After clearing the basic, for example, popular languages, C, C++, Java, Python, any 1 or 2 languages you learned, and you went with data structures in those languages, and you prepare for aptitude, and then you can prepare for company-specific written test. For example, TCS. If you are aiming for advanced level, see what are the previous year questions and what are the topics you need to take care about, arithmetic concepts, elementary statistics concept, what are the things you need to take care of, everything we have given you guys. So all these things you need to go through only with one single subscription. For example, the next thing is interview preparation. In interview preparation, I will divide this into 2 categories, which is nothing but you have to take care of your resume and your skills. So along with the skills, actually in resume you will mention the skills, right? So I will give 50% credit to resume preparation. The resume need to look very attractive or ATS friendly as well. See, for example, some companies are filtering the resume in the beginning. Then I will say prepare your resume according to ATS friendly. But if the first round is online written test and the second round is interview, at the time the people are reviewing your resume means I will say create a beautiful and eye-catchy resume, not ATS friendly. So it is depend, guys. Based on the off-campus, you need to modify a lot of things. So many people say that always do static things, but don't do static things. Why? Because based on the use case, you need to change a lot of things. For example, order of the uh, hiring process. Based on the order of the hiring process, you need to change your preparation, you need to change your resume, you need to change your skill set. Okay. So in the resume, you need to mention skills, certifications, and last but not least, projects and some kind of CS subjects. So these 4 things you need to mention in the resume. What are these things? Which is nothing but whatever you learned, C, C++, Java or Python, HTML, CSS, SQL, all these are comes under technical skills. And next, whatever the certification you did to learn these things or to upskill yourself. What is meant by upskilling? Recent times, all the companies are looking for upskilling courses. So that's why I will always give the high priority for the students. Please learn trending courses or popular skills like data science, data analytics, artificial intelligence, AWS cloud, and QA analyst, ethical hacking, Power BI, cyber security, cloud computing, deep learning, and statistics for the data analytics, GitHub. All these are mandatory. Tableau for the data visualization and big data. All these things you need to learn, guys. At least, not all, at least 2 to 3 skills you need to have while you are going through the interview. Why? Because this is a generation or the time all people need at least 1 or 2 upskilling courses. For example, if you did data analytics and data science, you have a good ample amount of chances to get selected in different companies. For example, if you did full stack course, for example, web development through MERN or MEAN or Java full stack or Python full stack, whatever it may be, you can go with React, Node, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Bootstrap is a part of CSS framework, and Express.js, Query, MongoDB, all these things, guys. You need to upskill yourself, complete all these courses, whatever the course you are interested of, and get the certification and insert in your resume. And in our Prepinsta Prime, whenever you are learning a particular skill, we will always provide you certification also if you complete more than 90%. And you can go with projects. Projects again categorized into different categories: academic projects and your personal projects, and demand project, in demand project. For example, internship. If you do internship, in internship you will do some projects, real-time projects. Or in academics, you will do in final year some projects, or in your own projects. For example, you are learning full stack, you can build your own app, right? So like that. What about CS subject? CS subjects are become the more popular recent days. So that's why again I'm mentioning them, which is nothing but DBMS, computer network, SQL, STLD, and operating systems and everything. Recently, a lot of companies are only asking for CSIT students and its relevant branches, not ECE, not EEE, not MEC, not civil. Why? Because they won't have these type of CS subjects in their syllabus. They want the people who know about the CS subjects also. So that's why they are giving a bit high priority to the CS and CS allied branches and IT branches and related branches. Am I right or not? Okay, so all these things, guys, you need to prepare, and even you can prepare interview preparation for service-based, product-based, and resume preparation, guesstimates, and everything in our Prepinsta Prime. And you can also do one thing, that our placement report. For example, you can give your name and you can give your email ID and fill the form and download our placement report. So what is the placement report? I will tell you. The people who took our Prepinsta Prime, they will prepare in our website. And for example, see, for example, recently, this is the incognito, right? So what I will do is I will show you another profile. See, for example, this is my profile. I have gone through different courses for the review. So see, for example, continue watching. So here I completed quantitative aptitude around 80%, TCS NQT around 20%, C language around 50%, Accenture about 50%. So in our website, we will show you how much course you have completed also. So whenever you completed 80 to 90%, you will get the certification of it. And for example, if you took our 1 year subscription, give me a second, guys. I'm logging in. Okay, so yes. So if you completed and if you take 1 year subscription and if you complete the number of courses we have given to you, and we will take your name and we will add you to our mail IDs list and we will start referring you guys for the different companies. So this is how every month we will refer a lot of students for our Prepinsta Prime subscription. Okay, so that is the thing I am saying here. Just give me a second. I'm just giving you the one idea. So the people who are not Prime subscribers, they can watch this, which is nothing but placement statistics, right? So please enter your name, email ID, phone number, and download it so that you will see all the details in detail. So how many members placed last month, in August, in September, in July, everything month-wise we have given in detail. So you can go through our placement statistics as well. That's it, guys. These are all the things about our off-campus drive. So resume preparation, I will say, guys, why I have created separate slide for this is your resume is your 50% selection maker. So don't neglect your resume. If you really want to know about how to prepare your resume, we already came live for the resume preparation and we did a lot of videos in YouTube and you can watch them. And also if you want to really prepare for the resume preparation, I will suggest go to the bottom of the our page and you can see under the interview plus, you can see resume preparation. So what are the best templates you need to choose, how to use the keywords for the resume and everything we have explained here in a in detailed manner. So never miss this opportunity. Please watch this resume preparation and create your resume properly so that your resume will never get rejected. Right. So that's all the things from my side for the off-campus drives. So if you have any doubts now, you can ask me. I am here you another 5 minutes for you guys to guide you, right? So I am looking into the chart now. So let's crack it. Is asking which companies are hiring now. Actually, I'm telling you guys, Tech Mahindra or Accenture or TCS are already conducting on-campus drives. So within 1 or 2 months, definitely we can assume top service-based companies is going to hire in November or December. So start your preparation now. Next. Yes, for the all the links and guidance, we have given all the links in the description, guys, and the live chat as well. Please follow them. Guys, ask your doubts. Whatever the doubts you have in your brain, please ask. Okay, some people are asking which pages to follow. So if you are a 2025 batch students, I will always suggest please follow 2025 Prepinsta Instagram handle. And if you want to know about all hiring updates, what's going on in off campus, please follow our Prepinsta off campus page. All the links are given in the description of the video. If few of you guys are from, for example, 2026 pass out batch. follow Prepinsta 2026 page and you will get only 2026 hiring updates. For example, for the 2026, recently we posted Microsoft hiring for the 2026. It is also eligible for 2025. So both we posted. And if you are a 2024 batch, follow our 2024. Why? Because recent time, a lot of companies are hiring for 2024. Why? Because they are already passed out. So for the 2025, within the next 1 or 2 months, hirings will go very high. So information getting is very important. So that's why again and again I'm saying, please follow our social media handles for the updates. And that's it from my side, guys. I hope this simple approach you guys understood well, and start your preparation with our Prepinsta Prime. And we'll always here to help you guys in your preparation journey. So we have created our Prepinsta Prime in a such a way that a student can easily clear off-campus drives from our Prepinsta Prime. So yes, Mohammed Sheikh, some companies won't allow you to apply regularly. They need to have a cooling period, which is nothing but, for example, Accenture, the cooling period is around 4 months to 6 months. If you apply for Accenture off campus, for example, today, you have to wait for another 6 months to apply for again. So cooling period is must and should. Even TCS also will have a cooling period of 4 to 5 months. Yeah, Sudharam says, I am saying again, don't prepare for any company specific as of now. Prepare for generalized. For example, aptitude, all topics, coding, required language, and DSA. Prepare in general. Whenever some companies about to hire, definitely you will get 15 to 20 days bandwidth, right? So then you have to go with company specific syllabus and practice those questions. That's it. So that's why I suggested in the beginning only. Prepare, for example, aptitude completely and languages completely and DSA completely. Once you started for the company specific, for example, Accenture, then prepare for Accenture specific syllabus only. Here you won't prepare. Here you will practice. Why? Because all the prerequisitions you already prepared. Am I clear or not? So that I'm saying. I have a degree of 5 years. It should be. Okay. So, sir, in HR interview, which are expected most asked questions? Yeah, Durga, we already have a all HR related questions in our Prepinsta Prime. You can go with, or you can see in our pages, we have given all HR related questions also. TCA. Okay. So in our website, we already posted the most number of times recently asked HR questions and how to prepare for different companies. You can go through them and you can prepare for HR questions as well. Okay. Yeah, Muhammad Rehan Shaikh. If you apply for on campus, you can apply for off campus as well. On campus, off campus are different. Okay. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope I cleared your all the doubts. So whenever I'm looking at here, which is nothing but comments, I am looking for. So I have a different screen to read. Yes, Prarna, once you completed your courses, what are the courses we have given to you, please reach out to us. We will add you to your referral group. Yeah, Sudharam said. First, prepare for everything, generalized concept, then practice company specific whenever companies are coming. Yes. Thank you so much, guys. If you have any queries, reach out to our number we provide in the live chat. And also don't forget to use YouTube coupon code to get the additional discount. And that's it. All the links is given in the description of the video. And that's it from my end. I hope we can conclude the session. So thank you so much, guys. See you. Bye bye. See you in the next slide.